The tech world is buzzing and all eyes are on Samsung as the company unveils its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. This lineup promises to set new standards for flagship smartphones in 2025, but does it deliver? Over the next 50 minutes, we'll dissect every aspect of these devices, from their sleek design and powerful performance to their advanced cameras and innovative software features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes these phones tick and whether they're worth the investment. Let's start with the Ultra model, the crown jewel of this lineup. Samsung has gone all out with the materials this time, introducing a titanium frame that not only enhances durability but also gives the device a premium feel. The new rounded edges make the phone more comfortable to hold, addressing a common complaint from users of the S24 Ultra. Samsung has also re-engineered the placement of the S Pen slot, shifting it to the right side for better accessibility. Little changes like these show that Samsung is paying attention to user feedback. The camera system is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly shines. The new 50MP ultra-wide sensor is a game-changer, capturing breathtaking landscapes with incredible detail. The primary 200MP camera remains the star of the show, but it's the improved software that takes things to the next level. Samsung's AI-driven enhancements ensure that every shot, whether in low light or challenging conditions, looks professional. The telephoto lens has also seen upgrades, offering sharper zoom capabilities that rival even standalone cameras. For video enthusiasts, the Ultra now supports 8K recording at 60 fps, complete with stabilization that makes handheld shooting a breeze. The display is another area where Samsung continues to dominate. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen now features an industry-leading 3000 nits of peak brightness, making it the brightest display on any smartphone. Whether you're watching ADR content or just checking your notifications outdoors, this display excels. The adaptive 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth performance, and the M14 OLED technology reduces power consumption without compromising on quality. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is a beast. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM, this phone handles everything from intensive gaming sessions to productivity tasks with ease. Samsung's decision to standardize the Snapdragon chip globally is a welcome move, ensuring a consistent experience for users no matter where they are. The storage options, ranging from 128GB to 1TB, provide ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Battery life is solid but not groundbreaking. While the 5000 mAh battery provides all-day endurance, the lack of faster charging options puts Samsung slightly behind competitors like Oppo and Xiaomi. However, Samsung has improved wireless charging speeds, and the addition of reverse wireless charging is a nice touch for those who use accessories like Galaxy Buds. The S25 and S25 Plus models bring the same level of refinement to a more accessible price point. The S25 is compact yet powerful, featuring the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset as the Ultra. The S25 Plus offers a larger display and better battery life, making it an ideal choice for those who want a bit more without going all in on the Ultra. In conclusion, the Galaxy S25 series is a masterclass in refinement. Samsung has focused on perfecting the details, from camera technology to software optimizations, rather than making revolutionary changes. While this approach might not excite those looking for something groundbreaking, ensures that the Galaxy S25 series is one of the most reliable and well-rounded lineups on the market. The question is it enough to keep Samsung at the top? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.